In front of me is ULEFONE Armor X7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers on this device. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to access About Phone section. Then click on Emergency Information. Click on Add Contact and click on the one that you wish to set up. You can do exactly the same to all the other ones you need. If you wish to remove one of your contacts, click on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!